Love among people leads to a happy life. In this world, man has a common psychology to be happy. However, this is such a feeling that not many people can feel it. Most of the people today spend a major part of their time to gather wealth, which they believe can bring them happiness. However, it is only after the wealth gathers that they feel unhappy. Let us consider what the opposite of love, that is, hatred, does. Hatred creates hostility, and hostility in turn robs one of peace of mind. A person who does not have peace of mind cannot be happy. In addition, when hatred reaches its peak, it sometimes results in physical violence. Stabbings and murders take place because of rabid hatred. Happiness, for sure, eludes both the murdered and murderer. So, why hate and be unhappy? Is it not better to love and achieve happiness? Alas, when it is so easy to be happy, a large majority continues to be unhappy. Where the feelings love is inspires in people. Love fills a person with noble feelings, compassion, sacrifice, sympathy, and understanding, welfare of the beloved at one's own cost, tenderness and sweetness. A lover is forever ready to lay down his life, if an occasion arises, for his beloved. In addition, he is more concerned about the welfare of his beloved. If in any event he is not able to get his beloved in marriage, he does not wish her ill. On the contrary, he parts from her, though sadly, but wishes her happiness in life. If love alone could be adopted as the guiding principle of individuals' lives, there would be no quarrels and divorces between married. There would be no friction between parents and children, no bitterness between friends, and no exploitation of man by man. History reveals that tyrants that have invariably been loveless men, people who did not receive love in their childhood and adolescent years, which hardened into ruthless power seekers. Lack of love in a child's life can play havoc with his personality and mental makeup. Love alone can alleviate many ills of the society and is undoubtedly the basis of a happy life. Extended to international sphere, if the nations of the world practiced this wonderful principle, there would be no wars, no large-scale massacres, and no widespread destruction. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Look at the description box below for our best product recommendation. We hope you enjoyed the video and found it very informative. My Success has a vision to help you grow and succeed in all aspects of life. If you would like us to continue creating such videos, please like and share this video and hit the subscribe button along with that tiny bell icon. See you soon. Don't forget to leave a message in the comments section below telling us what type of videos you would like to see.